Welcome back to another Crypto Jet video. Today we're going to be talking about Polkadot. Now, for those of you who don't know crypto, for those of you who don't know what's happening, there is a lot of coins out there other than Bitcoin and Ethereum, and Polkadot is one of them. So Polkadot, whenever you think about it, the one thing that you should think of is first and foremost parachains. Now, you may be thinking, what in the hell are parachains? Well, it's connecting different blockchain networks. So Ethereum is one blockchain network. Solana is one blockchain network. You can see a lot of different blockchain networks on CoinMarketCap and right here. So you have Ethereum, you have Cardano, you have Solana, you have Luna, you have Polkadot, you have Avalanche, Matic. Now all of these are different blockchain networks, right? And Polkadot, what it actually does is promotes interoperability between these networks so that you can easily share data, money, and a lot more. That's why it is the 10th coin in the world, because it does provide tremendous utility and it has potential to become one of the top, 2-3 coins in the future as well. So before we do get into the technicals and talk a little bit about DOT, I wanted to give you a little market recap when it comes to Bitcoin first and foremost. Now, we are at a significant zone of support. I do talk about this in pretty much every video, but currently we are finding a support on the lower time frames as well. So if you do plot a line, it looks something along the lines of this, right? We are finding a very nice support. We're creating somewhat of a triangle, and there's two scenarios from here. So if we do move up and break towards the upside, we're going to be moving upwards, and it's likely that the bull run is not yet over, even in the short term, so that we might see a new peak in the next month or two. But if we do move below and break below the 41K level once again, then it's likely that the bull run is in a break, and we might see a sort of longer version of the bull run where we will see a peak in 6 months from now, or Q3 of 2022. It makes perfect sense. Also, inflation is starting to slow down. It's starting to peak. Coronavirus is starting to not be that much of a problem. So countries are going to be performing better, and investors are going to take their money out of the stock market and out of crypto and put it back into, bonds and anything government or country or economy related. So it makes perfect sense that as the stock market falls, Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies will fall as well. But at some point, traders will realize and people will realize that inflation is not actually transitory, which should happen about 6 months from now. And at that point is when crypto will start to boom once again and the bull run will continue. So this is the extended bull run theory. You've heard it here first. If you do enjoy the video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, comment down below with your favorite part about this video. And yeah, this is a little bit about Polkadot right here. You can find out more on polkadot.network. We did a little Bitcoin review. Polkadot is sitting at a large zone of support right now as well. If we do move on to the 4-hour time frame, so we're doing a multi-time frame analysis right here, it's very simple. So we do have a nice downtrend, and if we do break out of it, which we actually did break out of at this point, we're going to see what happens. So right now it looks very, very nice for Polkadot, but we're going to see how the price moves in the next few days. So that's it for today's video. Thank you all for joining in for another one, and I'll see you all in the next one. Adios.